If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Habayakran bikinong patay kubor uba Himalaya Moktan Shangpliang ulaong ularong syakseng BJP kedai namar kejing buram kejing syania keseng kebelam da menteri rang bado keri Narendra Modi. Barwat haba ularem no ek election MLA namo senram ula beteng bandon berkeseng BJP ban kentio ya kene keseng san pertai. Ulaong bagadao kubala penlong yau ban mino na ke BJP kedai namar bagajur pelat kejing lek siliang. Kejing penuh ni gibahayeng bahasem kejing jur pelat jong gajing ya kenat apok keseng. Bah HM Shangpliang ulapan syairu ba kajing thong presiden ha kamau senram mandal de ubahayeng ju kadai bola dai lupa nong yalam barang ba bade kene karai la soy du presiden ke BJP Meghalaya. Uletho bularong syakaseng NPP klaim kanu kanu ko kendon nrai banyo ekalat ban syakri kipat ba kamau senram bad kejala bro gowei. Habalakali la udan ne em kajing tu bene kondi ki election MP syakalok sabha hagasnam arajar arpusau na ke NPP. Bah HM Shangpliang ulaong bulalit penyaso syakaseng NPP klaim kanu kanu ko kendon bad un hagaseng ban syemekarai kebedai bad ki election MP syakalok sabha. Bah HM Shangpliang uletho ru bak NPP kan pediang buram yu rengkat bad kinong kersan jungu ha ka khatlai terik menta unai lur ha ka office terikam jong keseng NPP ka badan halat chumia Shillong.
I had submitted my resignation letter to the office of the state BJP here in Shillong, and I have resigned from the primary membership of the BJP. In fact, last year in November 2022, I had enrolled myself as a member of the BJP because I had a lot of respect and a lot of admiration for the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. I did not see any better future in the state BJP here. Though I would have loved to remain in the party, but there were a lot of other issues. There were internal conflicts. There was nepotism, which undermined the growth of the party. If we have to work for the welfare of the people, then such things should not find a room, such as internal conflicts, and nepotism should not find a room if we are there for the welfare of the people. And therefore I thought the best way is to quit the party. If Mr. Mauri had mentioned that there was nepotism from my side, it was furthermore from his side, because his wife has already been appointed as the General Secretary of the Mahila Morcha. And furthermore, there are other friends who are very close to him who have been given assignments, and there are more people who are deserving who are outside. There are more people in the party who have sacrificed and who worked silently all throughout these years, and yet they are sidelined. I understand there was one mention of Mr. Mauri about my cousin brother being appointed as a Mandal president. I would like to clarify that. We resigned from the TMC en masse, and my cousin brother was already a block president under the TMC, and that resignation en masse came to the BJP. And accordingly, he got that position again by virtue of entering the BJP. And that was notified by Mr. Mauri himself. It was not my doing. It was notified by the party president. If he had found that there was something wrong in it, then that kind of an appointment or notification should not have come out. So I would leave all these issues to be addressed by the party itself. Before I left the house, I have indicated the flaws in the house. Now it is up to the owner of the house to address the issues and straighten the house. I have nothing more to say because I have left the house.